Capturing inspiration, visual and auditory stimuli in creative writing. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: using visual and auditory stimuli for inspiration in creative writing. This technique can spark your imagination, enhance your sensory descriptions, and deepen your storytelling skills. So, let's get started. When we talk about visual stimuli, we're referring to anything you can see. This could be a photograph, a painting, a scene from a movie, a landscape, a sunset, or even a bustling city street. All of these sights can evoke emotions and inspire stories. On the other hand, auditory stimuli are the sounds we hear. These can range from a melodious bird song, the rustling of leaves, a symphony, a conversation overheard in a cafe, to the rhythmic beat of rain on a roof. Like visual stimuli, these sounds can evoke feelings and ideas, leading to engaging stories. Now, how can we utilize these stimuli in creative writing? For visual stimuli, let's consider a photograph. When you look at a photograph, pay attention to the details. What's happening in the image? Who are the characters? What is the setting? How does it make you feel? Try to imagine the story behind the photo. Perhaps it's a picture of a lighthouse on a cliff. What's its history? Who are the people living there? What challenges do they face? Use these questions to shape your narrative. For auditory stimuli, let's use the sound of a bustling city street. Close your eyes and listen to the sounds. What do you hear? Traffic? Conversations? Laughter? Sirens? These sounds can be woven into your story to create a realistic, sensory-rich environment. To dive deeper, imagine the stories behind the sounds. Who is laughing, and why? Where is the siren heading? These narratives can become the foundation of your story, enriching your creative writing. And that's a wrap on using visual and auditory stimuli for inspiration in creative writing. Remember, the world around you is brimming with stories waiting to be told. So, stay observant, stay curious, and keep writing. We hope you found this video helpful, and we're excited to see where your creativity takes you. Happy writing, everyone!